Hi guys, welcome back to our channel DevTown. So guys, as in the previous video, we have discussed about the smart art, how we can use it. Okay, and if you have still not watched that video, guys, please visit our Excel series playlist and watch that video. It is a very good video. I have made everything in it. Okay, so now guys, what we will learn in this today's video. So guys, in this today's video, I will show you how you can create a column chart in the Excel. Okay, and trust me guys, today video will be a very interesting video, and watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important topic in the between. So guys, for this let me create a sample data here. So for it we have suppose a class data. Okay, for suppose we are having a roll number 1 2. Okay, so we have a roll number till the 8, and we have a suppose marks of this student. Okay, let me write any random number. Okay, let me create it for the CT2. Okay, and now let me create for the CT3. Okay, so now guys, if I want this data representation in the form of chart, so how I can do it? So the thing is very simple. I just have to select all these column. Okay, and then we have to go to the insert. Okay, in insert there is a, in the ribbon there is a section called the chart. So in this section you have to click on this insert chart. Okay, so now guys, here there are different type of chart representation show. Okay, so as you can see now, if I click, so on the more column chart, so let me see. Okay, see guys, so there are different type of chart. I can draw it in a line also. Okay, now if I want a line chart, see guys, so I'm getting the roll number, that marks detail in the form of this chart. Okay, you can see for roll number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 we are getting all the CT marks. Okay guys, it's so now it is very easy for us to understand like how the things are going. Okay, and apart from it we can also style the chart from here. See guys, like in the this form. Okay, in the this form, guys, there are number of things you can do with the chart. See, for the roll number 3, if we see roll number 3, he was having a 67, 76, 45. So for the 3 we have 67, 76, and 45. Okay, so this is a like series for the CT3. This line denotes yellow. Okay, see guys, it is so easy. And plus guys, we can also add the grids to the chart if we want, and the error bars and everything we can do guys. Okay, now let me delete this. Let me show you within some more example. So the thing is very simple. I have to again select all the columns here. Then I've go to the insert. The insert, I've go to this column chart. In this column chart, now I can see some of the more charts. Okay, we can also get this thing in the three, like in this 3D. Okay guys, so you can see now how easy it for us to understand the things. Okay, so we are getting the 86. Okay, here we are getting all data of the student. Okay, and apart from it we can use all the charts. There are also some recommended charts. Okay, as you can see, we are getting some recommendations also from the Excel. We are now using the recommended chart. Okay, so guys, these charts are very easy to do, and these are very important things in the Excel. Okay, and now for an example, let me create a more data. So we have a sales data for, we have a Raj, and we have a suppose Sam. Suppose now we have a Billy employee. So guys, these are all the employee name, and we have a revenue done by them. So let me write any random number. So we have a, see guys, so entering the random number, then I will create a chart from them for 2018. We have, okay. So now the thing is very again simple. I have to select all these, then I have go to the insert. In this insert, I will see this 2D charts. Okay. So now if I want some other type of chart, so let me show you. Okay, we can also have the pie chart here. See guys, so now I'm getting the this thing in the form of the chart. So now from here it is very easy for me to analyze like who has done the maximum sales. So this yellow denote for the Billy, so I can see that Billy have done the maximum number of revenues. Okay, and the name. Okay, see guys, so now it is very easy for us, and apart from it I can also check it from the here. Okay, I can also color the chart if I want. See guys, it is very easy. Okay, I hope guys that this thing is very much clear how you can insert a column chart. Okay, so guys, please subscribe to our channel DevTown. Please like this video and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from the DevTown. Thank you very much guys.